Just occurred to me that if this is going to be a vlog about, oh man, the exposure, I've got to get like some kind of like real. It just occurred to me if we're going to have a vlog about living on a boat, you should probably see the boat. Completely skipped my mind on that first video. I don't know what the deal was. Anyway, so we'll do a tour of the boat. All right, so here's the salon. This is where we eat dinner and kind of hang out. This is the common area. Here's Tess's room. And this is Finn's room. Finn! Finn, what? Finn's a bit of a hoarder. Finn's a kid on the boat that if you lose something, he's the one to see. This used to be a head, and I turned it into a machinery room because the kids do not need to have access to their own plumbing. Right next to the salon is the galley. This is kind of where we cook, clean, stuff, general workspace, workshop. Really, this is our refrigerator, super tiny. Over here, this is an ice box, but we actually don't use it as an ice box. We use it for liquor storage. And I would fix the exposure so you could actually see in there, but I'm just not gonna do that. It's basically a hole. And this is our bedroom. Oh, I'm gonna have to fix the exposure on this. There we go. This is our bedroom. This is Emmy and I's bedroom. So we can kind of peel out here. A little bench under here is storage, like a chest of drawers at your house. It's set up more of kind of like a writing desk. 4 drawers right here where we put where you can put your clothes. Well, actually, there's 3 drawers because this one is fake. Anyway, okay, moving on, and then our head. This is the toilet. And this is the bathroom, and this is actually a pretty good sized bathroom, like relative to most boats. Bring that up a little bit. Over here is the sink. It's kind of like a little sliver of the boat here is this. So yeah, so there we go. There you have it. So then here's a little, let's see how many steps we got here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So basically 10 steps. And you can walk the whole length of the thing, which is pretty funny. So basically 10 steps and you can walk the whole length of the boat, which is 47 feet is kind of on the bigger end of the scale, I mean, as far as boats are concerned. I calculated it out to be like 200 square feet. Yeah, I feel like I'm rambling now. Tessa, where are we going?
To say Augustine. To make you and Caroline. To make you...
Your best friends. When's the last time you saw Kate and Caroline?
Look at the purple cock. It's a rooster.
It's a pretty big cock.
And purple. It's getting hot in here. Turn on the air conditioning. Don't put that in the video.
What?
The purple.
Oh, I tell you. Absolutely.
Somewhere. Hold on.
We're meeting some friends from Philly.
They are on... Should we go? Should we make a run for it? Run.
You excited?
I'm very excited. It's fun. They're like family.
I know. It's gonna be fun to like. It's gonna be fun to hang.
I
guess we can go. Yeah, let's go.
God, they look so old.
They look so old.
Oh, we missed you!
Hi, Mom!
How you doing?
I'm excited. Hey. Augustine to hang out with our friends from Philadelphia, 2 little girls that I used to babysit, and we got to hang out, walk around town, and now it's just us and the kids. We just ate some ice cream, it was delicious. So now we are moving into the shell shop area.
Shell shop area?
Store. The shell shop store. Shop.
Yeah.
It's not easy to say.
Just St. Augustine has a shell shop area. Shell shop area.
Shell shop store is very hard to say.
Seriously. Like, what is going on? Oh my God, look at this. It's like, oh, I got 2. It's like if I flap my ears, I'll fly away.
It's the Wolverine look. I like it. Let's go into the souvenir store
Wolverine look.
with a 4- and a 6-year-old. It's going to be a disaster. I can't wait.
Have fun.
Tessa, do you know how many people's mouths were on that?
Well, look at this.
Nope. Let's go. Let's look around.
The hero. I hear the ocean.
To do a little bit of shopping. I haven't really been successful so far, which is kind of a bummer because there's not too many cool places for me to shop where I am. And anyway, now I'm going to go into a store called the Red Pineapple. I don't know if you can see it. Struck out at the Red Pineapple. And now I have to find my family. I have no idea where they are, like, at all. Which is kind of nice, but it's also a little bit like, hey, where'd you go, family?
My heart beats slow. It's important to know that my heart beats slow, like there's nowhere to go. My heart beats slow, where the sun shines or snow. It's the bread to my door. It's love knocking at your door, saying hey.
The problem is I can't like film and see into the stores at the same time. And I can't call Justin because I'm using his phone right now to film. Wait. Nope, it's just some other little kids that I... Cool thing about St. Augustine... Now you're on camera! Yeah, still can't find anybody. I guess maybe I should just plant and wait and see if they show up. So now my plan is to just sit, to plant my ass down and hope that they find me.
Well, that's about it for today. On our way home.
Prelude. We're bumping up at 65 miles per hour now.
I do not know how come everyone else's heart doesn't also. My heart beats slow, like there's nowhere to go.
Good thing I shaved my legs.
Did you? That's new.
I know, they were getting pretty bad. I don't know if you noticed.
Huh?
They were keeping you warmer at night.